So just Sibang, circles. PQ is the diameter, PQ is the diameter, O is the center. Chord SR, this is the chord, is parallel to PQ. This chord SR is parallel to the diameter. Given that PQR, this angle, this is 58 degree. Calculate RPQ, RPQ. So basically you will have to draw a line like this, RPQ, RPQ, and STP, STP, this angle. So we need these two angles. Mr. Sibang, how should we proceed?
So first of all, PRQ will be 90 degree because it's the angle that is opposite to the diameter and the point lies on the circumference of the circle.
Shabash. So what you are suggesting is that if this is a circle, this is a diameter. Now the diameter will make an angle of 90 degree at anywhere on the circumference of the circle. Mr. Sibang, am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 90 degree. Next.
So next we have two angles, so we can find the third angle automatically.
Yeah. So triangle PRQ. In triangle PRQ, we already have 90 degree and we have 58 degree. Therefore, this angle would be, Mr. CB.
So this angle would be around 148, it's 32.
So that the sum is 180 degree. Therefore, this angle is 32 degree. Great. What next?
Yes, sir. Then parallel SR and PQ are parallel.
Okay.
And therefore SRP will be 32 degree.
So what you are suggesting is because this line and this line is parallel and this is a transversal, therefore 32. Great. What next?
So now because STPR is a cyclic quadrilateral, the STP will be 148 degree.
Great. Now what you are suggesting is that STPR, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
And in this cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles would be, the sum of the opposite angles would be 180 degree. Now if this angle is 32 degree plus this angle, the unknown angle, would be equal to 180 degree. Am I correct?
Yes.
Because in a cyclic quadrilateral, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is a cyclic quadrilateral? The 4 points of the quadrilateral, they all lie on the
circumference of the circle.
Shabash. Therefore, this angle plus this angle would be equal to 180 degree, and let me differentiate it like this, and this angle plus this angle would be equal to 180 degree. Do we agree?
Yes.
So if this is 32 degree, this question mark would be equal to 180 minus 32. Do we agree?
Yes.
And 180 minus 32, we are aware, is 148 degree. So therefore this angle would be equal to 148 degree. Mr. CB, am I correct?
Yes.
So this angle would be equal to 148 degree. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Now let us, if you want to see a pleasing, aesthetically pleasing picture, maybe you will like this. So what is the angle that is given to us, Mr. CB?
So the angle given to us is 50 degree.
This was the angle given to us.
Yes.
This is 90 degree because this is the diameter. The diameter subtends an angle 90 degree at the circumference. We found 32 degree. Then we said that this line is parallel and this is a transversal. Therefore this is 32 degree. This is 32 degree. So 32 degree plus this angle. These are the opposite angles. The sum of these two angles would be 180 degree. Mr. Sibang, any doubt?
No doubt.
Great.